Doorman Row gauge. Got a different fuel today, a Southern. It's got a smoke generator in it, spam can. Yeah, let's get a split coat here. There's the goods. That's on DCC, the blue one. It's the S-Tech, something like Eastern S-Tech or something. Some strange name. Right. It's so windy today as well. Oh, this is Bideford. This is Bideford. Not city, it's just called Bideford, that is. St Paul's. My wife bought me that one. My 70th. That was 12 years ago. Bird singing as well. Robbies, I do like my trains. I do a bit of circuit out of all of them. Got a southern field today. It's very, very windy today. Very, very windy. Got a mixture of colours on the green there. This is Sydney Wells, I think that one. It's supposed to have steam coming out the top, but at the moment it's not coming out. Here it comes. My friend Roy put a steam generator in that. Oh, that's not shocking. 2 years ago. Can't wait for him to bring theirs out. Another one over here, a spam can, that's Bideford. 2 foot long.